Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse Incfile LLC review. In this quick review, we'll show you what Incfile offers and how to use it to start your business. Incfile is an online platform that helps you form your LLC or limited liability company, corporation, or nonprofit. It offers a simple and affordable way to get your business up and running without the hassle of paperwork. Getting started with Incfile is super easy. First, head to their website and click on Start My Business. Select the type of business entity you want to form, in this case, an LLC. Next, fill in some basic details like your business name and state of formation. Don't worry, they'll guide you step by step. Incfile offers a free LLC formation package where you only pay state filing fees. If you need extra services like an operating agreement, EIN, or expedited processing, they offer affordable upgrade options. Incfile also offers free registered agent services for the first year and additional services like tax consultations and compliance tools to keep your business running smoothly. So why choose Incfile? Incfile is a great choice for anyone who wants a straightforward, affordable way to form their LLC. The free plan is perfect if you're on a budget, and their user-friendly dashboard makes it easy to track your progress. So if you're ready to start your business, head to incfile.com and take the first step toward your entrepreneurial journey today.